Hello everyone, this is MD Tech here with another tutorial. Today I will be showing how to enable the dark theme specifically in the Microsoft Edge browser. Now I'm sure many of you are aware that the dark theme has been unofficially discovered to exist within Windows 10. However, if you're not looking for a system-wide theme change, there is one that pertains specifically towards just the web browser installed on Windows 10, the new replacement for Internet Explorer, which is Microsoft Edge. And it is very simple to make this change. So what you're going to want to do is head over to the three dots right underneath the close button for the browser. Click on that, go under settings, and then under choose a theme, select dark. And there we go, we have a dark theme for Microsoft Edge. And it's very easy to undo this. All you have to do is just follow back the same steps we did. Go under settings, and then under theme, toggle it back to light, and it'll undo what we just did. So if this video helped you out, guys, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.